Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Remember
Shelton from Real Fishing Kings of Jamaica.
Yes, so we are going to do one more video together. In the previous video we did beef patty, Jamaican beef patty. Now we're doing lasagna. Bear in mind, no, we never cooked lasagna before.
But now we're doing it together, so
yeah,
should be fun.
No challenge. So let's get into the video. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to use today. I'm not even if you're going to use so much tomato sauce, but I just get enough just in case. Yeah, so let's get into the video. I have the lasagna noodles, the tomato sauce, beef, you know, what like a seasoning with thyme, scallion, onion, pepper. Yeah, and cheese.
Yeah, sauce and red pepper.
Yeah, all purpose.
Black pepper. Some scallion that was still in the garden.
No, you have to tell me that this is one because, but yeah, so these are, so we'll get another video now because they know say we're hungry.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. So to boil the noodles, we're going to put some salt. It's salt to taste, so it depends on how much you want to use. So salt to taste. And then as soon as the water starts to boil, then we're going to add the noodle.
Alright guys, so while the water boils for the noodle, I'm going to prep the seasoning and get it ready for the beef. Alright, so we have scotch bonnet pepper. I'm trying to get this as small as possible. Don't think we need seeds or all the seeds. Then we have our onion. As I said, you want to get these as small as possible. Okay, so we have our garlic. Alright, so for me, when it comes down to time, I don't like when it's cut. So what I'm going to do is just strip it, add it in. I don't like the feeling of small particles in my mouth. So strip it and put it in like that. So that's a scallion, and we will saute this just before we add the beef to the pan.
Boiling, so we're going to add our noodles. We're just add.
We're going to add a little oil to the frying pan before we add the beef. Should be fine. Alright, so now we're going to add the seasoning to the oil. Yeah, so you can smell that aroma, yeah.
Why?
So saute this for about a minute. Alright, so now I'm going to add the beef. And I'm going to try not to get this stick to the pot. Alright, so I'm trying not to make the beef stick to the pan. Right, and I'm going to add some powdered seasoning now. Yeah, I don't know why me a twang, but yeah, sometimes that happens here. So we should add some Maggi all-purpose, not too much, because we don't want it to be too salty. So we add to taste. And as I said, we're not using any specific measurement. We have some black pepper. Them say black pepper not good for man, so I'm not really put a whole heap in it. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit of browning.
Stick.
But I didn't add too much, because women always say man and heavy when it comes to cooking. Waste everything in the kitchen. Alright, so let this cook for a little while and get back to you guys. Alright guys, so we're going to add in the tomato sauce. I'm going to add 2 tins of this.
One baby. So we're adding the milk now. And we're going to add some flour. Right, so it's getting thick. But we're just going to add some cheese in it. Alright, so base the bottom of the casserole dish with some of the sauce. So now we're going to add the noodles. Oh, so we do this because we don't want it to stick. So first layer. Right, so the first layer now we're going to add the beef. Not alright? Put more? Alright, so that's the first layer, eh? So now we are going to add the white sauce. Cheese. And repeat the process again. Come to the
Alright guys, so we're adding the final layer right now. So we're putting in the sauce and then we're going to top it off with the cheese.
Yeah, so we're going to add all the cheese at the top now. All of the cheese. Oh. Let's not add cheese. Copy. Yes. If we look at it now.
Nice.
Alright, so it's ready for the oven. So we are baking at 300. Alright, so we are baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about half an hour. Or just until the cheese melts.